All right, guys, I know you can solve inequalities. That's not the problem. The problem is deciding what answer they're actually looking for, because this says what value of x satisfies the inequality. So that does not mean the number you come up with on one side of the inequality. That means what number will make it true. So let's start by solving this. All right, I'm not sure we'll need our calculator, but we can try. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is we're going to subtract 3 on each side. So we're going to start by doing that. I figured I'd try to use this instead of the stylus, but it's not doing much better. So let me go back to the stylus. That brings us to negative 2x, because that plus 3 minus 3 goes away. I've got less than 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, so here we are so far. Now, that's a negative 2 with that x. So we've got to divide by a negative, which means our inequality symbol has to flip. Okay, please use your calculators. I'm not, just because I'm having so much trouble with my stylus, but please use your calculators just to make sure you don't make mistakes. So I'm going to go back to the beginning. I subtracted 3 from each side. I ended up with 2x less than 6. Divided both sides by negative 2. When you divide by a negative, whenever that number in front of the variable is negative, you're going to have to flip that inequality. So I ended up with x greater than negative 3. I promise you 50% of you are going to pick that as your answer, but that is not true. Okay? Your answer, x, has to be greater. That means bigger than negative 3. So I'm going to draw a number line. I know I'm beating a dead horse here. Here's my 0. Here's my negative 3. Here's my negative 5. Here's my negative 8. So my answer, which I'm going to change colors again. If anybody can't see these colors, you're going to have to tell me so that I can quit using them. But anyway, my answer has to be bigger, not equal to, bigger than negative 3, and my inequality is pointing to the right. So the only number in these choices that is bigger or greater than negative 3 is 0. And that is my answer. So you have to be really careful when you're reading these problems. All right? If it says what value of x satisfies it, you got to make sure that you're giving an answer that works. Okay? Because since this is not equal to, negative 3 does not work. All righty? I think that's everything for tonight, guys. Work hard. We believe in you. Good night.